Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you how you can create a hyperlink that is tagged to NoFollow attribute in WordPress. And the reason for this is sometimes when you are linking out from your website to another third-party website, you may not know whether that website is being blacklisted or has some negative history in Google. If there is, it may affect your own website ranking if you do not include this NoFollow. So I highly suggest that whenever you link out to other people's website, especially if you don't know the website, if it's being blacklisted by Google, always add in this NoFollow attribute. So I'm going to share with you how you can add this attribute in your WordPress content. So I'm now editing one of my WordPress blog posts and I'm using the default 2025 theme and WordPress is the 6.8 version. And I'm using the default Gutenberg editor. So for example, I'm now going to show you how you can add a hyperlink. So for example, I want to link this yoga offer something unique for each individual. I will highlight these few words and click on this link icon and link it to one of my pages, for example. Or let's say I want to link it to external website. Okay. And I can just click this to confirm. So this has been changed to a hyperlink, and now I want to click edit link, and you will see that under this advanced tab there is a attribute called mark as NoFollow. So I will enable this and I will click save. So this is a default feature available in WordPress 6.8 and the default 2025 theme. And you do not need to install any additional SEO plugin or install any other plugin. So just basically this is comes with this theme already. So I hope that you find this video tutorial information useful. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.